Alright, so here are these air conditioners we visited. This Heil is on. You know, that's not that hot of air coming out. Suction line is cold and sweaty, so I mean it's still working. And then here are these two Nordines. Alright, this one is from 2014 and is a 3.5 ton. And that one, I think it's the same. Oh, forgot the data on this. 4 ton from 2002. These Nordines haven't been running. This one has a Copeland recip. Alright. Nordine. This one is from 2013, so just 1 year difference, and it's a 3.5 ton as well. And it has a scroll compressor. Copeland scroll. This one has the same thing. And I don't think these have been running. Nope, sadly not. Here's this little Nordine. Copeland scroll. Oh, this hasn't been running either. This one has R22. 2013, 3 ton. There's one more over there. I think this thing is gutted. Look at this. It's got a big Copeland recip down there. (2004). Make sure I'm focusing on the data. 4 ton. Yeah, it has like an RU fan motor, I think. So yeah, that's these 5 are visited. And only 1 is running. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.